Hello children, welcome to Artzone. Let's learn how to draw a diya today. See the size of the drawing and follow the steps. Take a dot on the top and a dot at the side and draw a big nice curve. Take a dot here and draw a nice curve as shown. We need a curved line here, so we will draw two small curves and then connect them. Take a dot and connect the lines at the center. Here we will get a shade for frame. Do the same again. Take a dot and connect the lines at the center. Very good. Now draw a nice big curve as shown here. Take a dot in the center and two dots at the side. Connect these lines together to form a design. Now let's draw few lines inside. Draw two slant lines. Again, come down, go up and draw a line down. Go up and down. Go up and down and complete the design with slant lines. Very good. In this portion, draw a small curve and again draw a big curve. Very nice. Take a sketch pen and start doing the outline. Be careful while doing the curved lines. Slowly and steadily draw each and every line neatly. While doing the outline, go slow, do it neatly and maintain the rhythm. Skip these two lines. Wow! Let's color the picture now. Take lemon yellow and apply in the middle portion over here. Now take deep yellow and apply over here. While coloring, Color it neatly with equal pressure. Take chrome yellow and apply in the last portion of the flame. Very good. Color it neatly. Don't be in hurry to complete the picture. Color step by step. Take grey color and draw a line here for the oil and apply light grey with light pressure. Complete this area by filling the light grey color. In this picture we learned there are few lines which don't need the outline. So over here the flame lines and the oil line. We don't have to do the outline with black sketch pen. Very good, you have completed the oil color. Now let's start coloring the other portions. Take dark blue and apply on these top triangles. While coloring the triangles, color the corners neatly. Coloring slowly, step by step, without leaving white space will make your picture beautiful. Remember children, you are learning how to apply the colors. Now take light green and apply on these triangles. Color the triangles neatly. Don't leave any white portions while coloring. Color in the edges neatly so that your entire picture will look nice. Now take red and color this portion with small strokes. Go slowly and color neatly. Be careful while coloring in the small areas. With small strokes you will be able to complete this portion neatly and it will look beautiful. Let's take light green and color this portion. The rule is same. Color with small strokes, slowly. Don't leave any white space while coloring. Apply the colors in one area and then go ahead. Now take dark blue and apply on this area. And in this way, we are going to complete our drawing. Very good. You have done it well. Let's meet in the next session of drawing with me. If you like this drawing, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.